Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Printful with Etsy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Printful website. Log in to your Printful account, or create one if you haven't already. Next, open a new tab and visit the Etsy website. Log in to your Etsy account. Once logged into Etsy, go to the Shop Manager located on the top right corner of the page. In the Shop Manager, find and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Integrations. Scroll down until you see Printful, click on the Connect button next to Printful. This will redirect you to the Printful login page. Log into your Printful account again if prompted. After logging in, you will see a prompt asking for permissions. Read through the permissions and click Allow to grant access. Once connected, you will be redirected back to Printful. Now, navigate to the Printful dashboard. Here, you can start adding products to sell on Etsy. Click on Add Product to begin. Select the product type you want to sell. Customize your product with designs, colors, and sizes. After setting up your product, click Proceed to Mockups. Choose your mockup style and click Proceed to Description. Fill in the product title, description, and choose the appropriate tags. Set your pricing and click Submit to Etsy. Repeat these steps for any additional products you wish to add. Once all products are uploaded, head back to your Etsy shop. Check to ensure that your products are listed correctly. You are now ready to start selling on Etsy with Printful integrated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.